Okay, our next activity is a writing activity, and we're going to be comparing and contrasting. When you compare, you look at how things are similar. And when you contrast, you look at how things are different. So let's go ahead and do an example. Okay, now these pictures might be hard to see, and if they are, please go to Google Docs. That is, let's see, where is that? Here. You can always access any of the documents in the lessons are in the Google Drive, so you can access that if you can't see it. But what you have is you have two pictures here, and the Venn diagram is a way that we compare and contrast. So where the two circles, or in this case ovals, overlap is the similarities. That's when you're comparing, and the outer portion of each circle or each oval is the differences. So if you look at the two pictures, picture number one, well, first of all, look at the similarities, which is here, okay, in the middle. That's the comparing. Both photos show food, and it appears to be on for sale. However, in picture one, it's healthy food. It looks like vegetables. It looks like it's available at a market, an open market, outdoor market, and perhaps available during the fall in harvest season. Whereas picture two looks like it's processed food, looks like mostly cereal. It's all in boxes and for sale at a grocery store, not a market. And it looks like perhaps it all tastes the same. So compare and contrast. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take a minute and do the same thing for this picture. Sorry, these two pictures. Okay. Again, if you can't see it, access the document on Google Docs. You'll be able to see it more. And you're going to go ahead and in the middle, you'll put something or some things of similarities and what's unique to picture one and what's unique to picture two. So go ahead and give that a try now. So hopefully you have some thoughts there. You have at least one or two ideas for similarities for comparing, and at least one or two for each picture for contrasting. Okay. Then what you'll do basically is you're going to write a five sentence paragraph. The first one is your topic sentence, which is your main idea. Sentences 2 through 4 are your supporting details, and sentence number 5 is your conclusion, where you restate your topic sentence. Now, if you want, this will make it much easier. You can use this close structure, which will basically make it much easier to write the paragraph. However, I'm going to invite you to come back here, look at your notes, and then go ahead and write this without the close. If you want to, you can rewind the tape to the close and copy that. But it'll be much more useful for you if you try it on your own. And again, remember, always you can send it to me for feedback in the Facebook group or at my email. So go ahead and give that a shot, and I'll see you in the next activity.